The state may call its next witness.
Your Honor, we call Detective Christopher Bloom.
Detective, you may come up to the witness stand. When you get up to the chair, please remain standing and raise your right hand to be sworn in.
Do you swear that the testimony you're about to give in this matter before the court shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help you God.
I do. Thank you. You may have a seat. Get yourself situated nice and close to the microphone in front of you. And start by stating your name, spelling both your first and last for the record.
First name is Christopher. Last name is Bloom. Christopher, Christopher. Last name is Bloom, Bloom.
You may go ahead.
Thank you very much, and good afternoon. Is it detective or specialist? To make sure I'm calling you by your right title, sir.
I'm a detective.
Okay. Detective Bloom, which agency do you work for, sir?
The City of Waukesha Police Department.
And how long have you been employed with the Waukesha Police Department, sir?
A little over 12 years.
Directing your attention to November 4th of 2024, did you respond to a particular storage unit at 1512 East North Street?
Yes.
And did that storage unit belong to the deceased individual in this case, sir?
Yes, it did.
And did you recover any items of significance at that particular individual's storage unit?
Yes.
And what was that item, sir?
There was a miter saw that had been rented from Home Depot by the victim in this case.
Do you know when the victim rented that miter saw, sir, based on the investigation?
Yes.
When was it rented, sir?
On April 14th, 2024.
And how do you know that, sir?
One of my partners recovered video surveillance from the Home Depot located in Delafield, Wisconsin that showed the victim, Carlos Maldonado, taking possession of that miter saw.
Just 1 second, sir. Okay. Detective, do you know an individual by the name of Nathan Poley?
Yes.
How do you know Mr. Poley?
He resided at 1512 East North Street, Unit Number 1. He was a maintenance man or groundkeeper that would do work on the property.
And just to remind the jury, 1512 East North Street, was that the same address where Mr. Maldonado was also found in this case?
Yes, Carlos was found on the property of 1512 East North Street.
And was there a point in time, sir, in which you had a conversation with Mr. Poley?
Yes.
And was that on November 2nd of 2024?
I spoke with Nathan on Friday, November 1st, 2024.
Okay. And was there a point in time in which you asked Mr. Poley for consent to do something particularly?
Yes.
And did you ask him for consent to search his apartment?
Formally on November 2nd, which would have been a Saturday, he provided consent to Detective Condon to search his apartment, his vehicles, his storage unit, and he consented to provide buccal swabs for testing.
In terms of Mr. Poley's consent for his unit, his storage unit, his vehicles, is it fair to say he was cooperative in terms of that request?
Yes.
And then you mentioned that at some point in time you asked him for a buccal swab. Is that right, sir?
He was asked to provide buccal swabs, yes.
And can you please tell the jury, what is a buccal swab?
It's a sterile instrument, much like a Q-tip, with a cotton or foam on one side, used to collect, in this case, mucosal DNA from the cheek. And
do you obtain a buccal swab by swabbing the inside of an individual's cheek?
Yes.
And by swabbing the inside of an individual's cheek, does this collect their DNA?
Yes.
And when an individual's DNA is collected, then is it subsequently can it subsequently be sent to a lab for identification?
It can be, yes.
And did Mr. Poley provide 2 buccal swabs to you?
Not to me personally, but he did, yes.
He did to law enforcement.
Yes,
And again, he provided them both consensually?
yes.
Did you or did another officer at some time ask Mr. Poley for consent to search his booth mobile phone?
Yes,
And once again, did Mr. Poley give consent for a search of that particular phone?
he did.
And did Mr. Poley ever revoke consent for the police to search his phone?
No, never.
And to your knowledge, was there any information located in Mr. Poley's phone that would suggest that he had any connection with Mr. Lychwick in this case?
None whatsoever.
Any connection in terms of the alleged victim in this case?
None whatsoever.
That's all I have. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Cross-examination, Mr. Lychwick?
Detective, did you ever come across any indication that Mr. Pauly knew the victim, Mr. Maldonado?
Yes.
And what would that be?
He acknowledged that he would come across Mr. Maldonado in passing, stated that they would smoke a cigarette from time to time. I believe at one point he assisted Mr. Maldonado in bleeding the brakes on his vehicle. So he described their relationship as acquaintances, folks who would come across each other in passing.
But yet they did have a cigarette together and they did auto work together, which
Yes.
is what friends usually do.
I'm not sure. He characterized their relationship as acquaintances.
How convenient. I have no further questions for this witness, Your Honor.
Any redirect on that scope?
No.
Okay, Detective, you may step down. Thank you.
Thank you.